Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stream Amazon Prime Video in Discord. So in this case, log into your Discord account in discord.com, not application, or any Chrome browser or any browser. Okay. So after opening your Discord account from any browser, then just click on this tab, open a new tab, then go to Amazon Prime Video and log into your Amazon Prime account. After that, click on Discord and then choose a server. After choose a server, click on any voice channel where you want to stream, like this lobby. Now click on this share your screen. After that, you can see here under the Chrome tab you'll find Prime Video. Click on this Prime Video and start sharing. Now you can see here that your show is streaming here. If you want to open a show like this or any show, just start.
Children advisor
No,
page.
sorry. This isn't sleepwalking. This is different.
Okay, you can see here that the show was streaming here. I paused it, so if I
And it's
play
just
it
the
again,
two of you at home.
it will play here. So guys, this is how you can stream Amazon Prime Video on Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.